Welcome back to my channel AERO Auto Defence. Don't forget to subscribe and support my channel for the latest updates on aviation, defense, and military technology from around the world. Today, we bring you the full and latest update about the A-10 Thunderbolt II, also known as the Warthog, and its future in 2026. The A-10 Thunderbolt II has been one of the most iconic aircraft in the history of the United States Air Force USAF. Designed in the 1970s by Fairchild Republic, the A-10 is a close air support aircraft famous for its heavy armor, powerful GAU-8 Avenger 30mm cannon, and unmatched capability to destroy enemy tanks, armored vehicles, and ground targets. Over the decades, the A-10 earned a legendary status among pilots and soldiers for its durability, low-speed maneuverability, and ability to keep flying even after taking heavy damage. Its nickname, the Warthog, reflects its tough and rugged nature, and it became a symbol of close air support missions in conflicts like Iraq, Afghanistan, and the Balkans. However, by 2026, the story of the A-10 is entering its final chapter. According to the latest reports from the U.S. Department of Defense and the U.S. Air Force, plans have been finalized to retire the entire fleet of 162 A-10C Thunderbolt II aircraft starting in fiscal year 2026. This decision is part of a much larger modernization strategy, where the Air Force aims to divest older aircraft and shift its focus to next-generation technologies. The upcoming platforms include the B-21 Raider stealth bomber, next-generation air dominance (NGAD) fighters, and autonomous drone systems. Despite the planned retirement, the A-10 has undergone several upgrades in recent years to extend its operational life. The Air Force invested in programs like the Precision Engagement Upgrade, Last-Day Avionics Enhancements, and the Hog Upwing Replacement Program to strengthen its structure and improve targeting capabilities. These upgrades made the A-10 more lethal and capable of operating effectively even in modern battlefields. However, with rapidly evolving threats and advanced air defense systems, the U.S. Air Force believes that future wars will require stealth, long-range precision strikes, and AI-powered combat systems, areas where the A-10 falls behind. One of the biggest challenges to the retirement plan has been Congress. Over the years, lawmakers have repeatedly blocked or delayed A-10 retirements, demanding proof that other aircraft, like the F-35 Lightning II or F-15EX, can fully replace the A-10's close air support role. While some retirements were approved in 2023, many analysts believe that political resistance could still slow down the full phase-out in 2026. Currently, some A-10 units are already being moved to the Boneyard at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base in Arizona, where decommissioned aircraft are stored. Bases like these are preparing to transition to F-35 units as part of the Air Force's modernization efforts. By 2026, if the retirement plan proceeds without delays, the legendary A-10 Warthog will officially fly its last missions, marking the end of nearly 5 decades of service. If you want, I can also prepare a full video script about the A-10's history, upgrades, retirement plans, and future replacements for your channel AERO Auto Defence. It will be perfect for a YouTube video.